Hello friends, I made this delicious vanilla cake over the gas burner. No oven required. It was a win-win for me. Let me show you how I made it. In a bowl, I had my already sieved I added flour, baking powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then I set it aside. In another bowl, I cracked 3 eggs, added milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla flavor. I whisked everything together, then poured the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Next, I greased my non-stick pan with vegetable oil, poured in the batter, and cooked it for about 20 minutes. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you for sticking around. I love sharing simple homemade recipes that anyone can try without an oven. So if you enjoy videos like this, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more delicious recipes. Now let's continue. I greased my non-stick pan with vegetable oil, poured in the batter, and cooked it on for about 20 minutes. And just like that, guys, my vanilla cake was ready. It had the same great taste, and I didn't even use an oven. I saved gas. A total win-win for me. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.